Everybody gather round.
Productivity is not just about working harder, it's a lifestyle. It's about doing the right things the right way, even when no one's watching or cheering us on. It's about working smarter, creating more value, and building a stronger Jamaica. It's a commitment to growth. Now, every student, business, and public sector team can measure, assess, and improve productivity with Jamaica's new productivity toolkits designed to help you grow, improve performance, and unlock your potential. Built for Jamaicans, designed for growth, let's begin our productivity improvement journey together. Explore the new productivity toolkits today.
Everybody gather round. Work together, vision 2030. One Jamaica,